In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to prevent spam form submissions in HubSpot by enabling reCAPTCHA on your forms. If you're getting flooded with fake leads, bot submissions, or suspicious entries in your CRM, this quick fix can dramatically improve your data quality and protect your marketing efforts. The best part is that it only takes a few minutes to set up. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can secure your forms properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the top menu and click on Marketing. From the dropdown, go to Lead CAPTCHA and then click on Forms. This will take you to your Forms dashboard, where you can see all the forms you've created for landing pages, website pages, pop-ups, or embedded forms. Next, locate the specific form that you want to secure against spam. Hover over it and click Edit. This will open the form editor, where you can customize fields, layout, automation, and security settings. Now that you're inside the form editor, look for the Add icon to insert a new field into your form. Click the Add icon and you'll see a panel appear on the left-hand side with different field categories. In the left sidebar, select the category labeled Other. Inside this section, you'll find additional elements that aren't standard contact properties. What we're looking for here is the security option called reCAPTCHA. Under the Security and Privacy section, find reCAPTCHA. Click and drag the reCAPTCHA field into your form. You can drop it anywhere inside the form layout, but it's typically best practice to place it near the bottom, just above the Submit button. This ensures users complete the verification step right before submitting the form. Once you drop the reCAPTCHA field into place, HubSpot will automatically enable Google's bot detection system for that form. This helps distinguish between real users and automated spam bots attempting to submit fake information. After adding reCAPTCHA, take a moment to review your form layout. Make sure everything looks clean and user-friendly. You want to balance security with a smooth user experience, so legitimate visitors don't feel overwhelmed. When you're satisfied with the placement, go to the top right corner and click Review and Update. HubSpot will show you a summary of the changes you've made to the form. Finally, click Publish to push the updated version live. Once published, your form is now protected with reCAPTCHA, and spam bots will have a much harder time submitting fake entries. That's it! You've successfully secured your HubSpot form and reduced the risk of spam submissions. This small step can make a big difference in maintaining clean contact data, improving reporting accuracy, and ensuring your sales team only receives legitimate leads. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials and digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.